Hello everyone, Jean Kanicki here. Today our topic of discussion is going to be on how to rewire our brain for positivity. Did you know that our brain can help us transform negative thoughts into positive habits? Come with me. Let's discuss this. Have you ever wondered if you could train your brain to think more positively? It's not just wishful thinking, it's neuroscience. The, the brain's ability to adapt and form new connections provides a pathway for rewiring our thought patterns and cultivating optimism. The challenge of breaking free from negative thinking can feel so overwhelming. However, with the right tools and support and understanding of how the brain works, it's possible to cultivate a habit of optimism. Neuroplasticity is the brain's remarkable ability to change and adapt throughout life. It allows us to learn new skills and reshape how we think. For decades, it was believed that the brain was fixed after childhood. However, research has debunked this myth, revealing that the brain remains flexible and capable of growth at any age. This adaptability occurs through two main processes. One is structural neuroplasticity. I know it sounds like a big word, right? Changes in the brain's physical structure, including the formation of new neural pathways and the strengthening of existing ones. The other main process is functional neuroplasticity. This is the brain's ability to shift functions from one area of the brain, often seen like in recovery or if you've been in some type of injury. When it comes to thought patterns, neuroplasticity means that we can rewire negative loops into positive ones through repetition. Optimistic thinking, when practiced consistently, can become a more natural part of our mental landscape. Cultivating optimism as a habit. Optimism is the tendency to focus on positive outcomes. It isn't just a personality trait. It's a habit that can be developed. By leveraging neuroplasticity, you can train your brain to respond to challenges with positivity and resilience. One simple yet effective technique is the Maui habit, created by B. Fogg, author of Tiny Habits. Now, this is a book that I've read from cover to cover. This practice involves saying, it's going to be a great day. As soon as your feet hit the floor in the morning. Now, this may seem small, right? The power of this habit lies in its consistency and ability to set a positive tone. With this morning practice, you are setting an upward trajectory for your day. Each time you engage in positive thinking, you strengthen the neural pathways associated with optimism. Over time, these pathways become more dominant, making optimism an automatic response. Positive thinking also triggers the release of feel-good hormones like dopamine, creating a reinforcing feedback loop. The more you practice optimism, the more your brain associates it with reward, making it easier to sustain the habit. While it's possible to cultivate optimism on your own, many people benefit from the expertise of a coach that's trained as a neuroplastician. Such a coach's neuroplasticity-based approach can help individuals. It can help individuals overcome mental roadblocks and build new habits. Here are 5 ways that you can build new habits. Number 1, you can identify negative patterns. Many of us are unaware of the negative thought loops that dominate our minds. A neuroplastician can help identify these patterns and understand their triggers, creating a foundation for change. Number 2, designing optimistic habits. Once negative patterns are identified, the neuroplastician works with you to develop positive habits tailored to your needs. These habits are often small, manageable actions that are easy to integrate into your daily routine. Number 3, reinforcing repetition. Repetition is the key to neuroplasticity. Neuroplasticians provide tools and strategies to help you stick to your new habits, whether through habit trackers, reminders, or personalized coaching. Number 4, navigating setbacks. Change is rarely linear, and setbacks are normal. Neuroplasticians offer support and guidance to help you overcome challenges and stay on track. Number 5, leveraging technology. With advancements in neuroscience, tools like neurofeedback devices and brainwave monitors can accelerate the process of rewiring your brain with optimism. So you may ask, why cultivate optimism? Well, optimism isn't just about feeling good in the moment. It has long-term benefits for mental and physical health. Here are 5 ways that you can benefit from cultivating optimism. Number 1, improved mental health. Optimism reduces symptoms of anxiety and depression by encountering negative thought patterns. Number 2, it builds greater resilience. You're more likely to bounce back from setbacks and approach challenges with a problem-solving attitude than an optimistic mindset. Number 3, enhanced physical health. Now, research shows optimistic individuals experience low stress levels, better cardiovascular health, and longer lifespans. Number 4, stronger relationships. Positivity fosters better communication, empathy, and connection. And number 5, increased productivity. Optimism boosts creativity and motivation, helping you perform better personally and professionally. Here are some practical steps to build optimistic habits. Number 1, you have to start small. Simple habits like saying, "It's gonna be a great day," can have a big impact when practiced consistently. Number 2, surround yourself with positivity. Engage with uplifting people and content that reinforces your optimistic outlook. And number 3, celebrate small wins. Acknowledge even the smallest successes. This reinforces the habit of focusing on the positives. Cultivating optimism through neuroplasticity is a powerful journey that empowers you to take charge of your mental habits and reshape your mindset for a brighter future. You can reshape your thought patterns, improve your well-being, and unlock your full potential. So, let's take the first step today towards positivity. To recap, the brain's ability to adapt and form new connections provides a pathway for rewiring thought patterns. With the right tools and support, you can cultivate a habit of optimism and overcome negative thinking. Neuroplasticity allows us to reshape how we think, making optimism part of our mental landscape. Thank you for watching and stay positive. It's going to be a great day. Take care.